Hi guys! Welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako na manood, makinig sa panibagong performance ng pamilyang bandang Franz Rhythm. Meron silang bagong music cover na ang title ay There's a Kind of Hush. Sabay-sabay natin pakinggan kung talaga nga namang swak na swak ito sa pamilyang banda. Pero kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin. Kaya naman, huwag na natin patagalin. Simulan na natin to. Let's go!
You know what I mean, just the two of us and nobody else inside. There's nobody else and I'm feeling good, just holding you tight.
Nice, Franz Rhythm, let's
So
go!
listen very carefully, get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a dream.
Parang
all over the world tonight, all over the world, people just like us, falling in love.
Galing talaga nila. Paano all magaling sa intro? Wow, magaling talaga drummer ito.
So listen very carefully, get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a dream. The only sound that you will hear is when I whisper in your ear, I love you forever and ever. There's a kind of hush
Papasayaw ka talaga sa
all
ganda eh.
over the world tonight, all over the world you can hear the sound of lovers in love.
Suabe. Grabe talaga ang pamilyang bandang Franz Rhythm, wala akong masabi. Lahat sila magaling sa instruments, and of course, sila rin magagaling kumanta. Good luck sa inyong banda, Franz Rhythm, and congratulations dahil talaga naman napakagaling ng inyong pamilya. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto niyo pa ng mga ganitong content, huwag na huwag ninyong kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa videos natin. Yun lang. Paalam!